I'm Kerry, speech language pathologist and co-founder of Cheat Sheet Speech. Today I'm going to teach you how to use our cheat sheet with one of my favorite toys, the gear slide. First, I'm going to walk you through this how to play section, which is a step-by-step guide for how to model language when playing with the gear slide. Then I'm going to show you some of these strategies in the level up section, which are speech therapy strategies we use to promote language opportunities. Let's get started. I'm going to take all the gears off my slide. Cool. So now my gears are everywhere. I'm actually going to take some of these gears out of the way. By taking the gears out of the way, it provides another opportunity for the child to use language. It also just gives me more time as a communication partner to model language and the child more time to hear my language model. So you can put the gears in your lap, you could put them behind you. I'm actually going to put mine in a clear plastic bag. I love using clear plastic baggies or clear boxes with my toys because then the child can still see the toy, which makes it highly motivating, but gives them another opportunity to use language. Okay, so now all my gears are in my baggie. And so now I have to decide if I want to model single words, 2 words, or simple phrases. And this is just going to depend on the communication goal for your child. I'm going to use single words today. All right, so I'm going to take out a gear, hold it up to my mouth. I want to hold it up to my mouth to draw the child's attention to my mouth. So then when I'm giving that verbal model, the child is also getting a visual model. They can see me modeling that word. So I'm going to say gear and wait. Wait to see if the child imitates that model. If they don't, that's totally fine. I'm just going to model it again and then give that child the gear. So gear, gear, and hand them the gear. Then the child's going to put the gear on the slide. If they need help, I'll model help and wait and then give them some help. Okay, so now I'm going to use a single word as the gear goes down the slide to provide more language input. Go, 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 crash. Awesome. Next, the child is going to want more gears, another opportunity to use language, so I can model more or again. And same thing, wait, see if the child imitates that model. More, more. And we'll pull out a gear. This time, I'm going to show the child a new way to play with this gear slide just to promote some more language. So I'm going to bring this gear up and go up, 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 up. And then we'll put it on the slide. Go, crash. Awesome. So that's how we're going to use our language to play with the gear slide. Now I'm going to show you some of those level up opportunities. The first one I'm going to show you is this break routine. So we've used lots of single words with this gear slide. We've done go, up, 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 and go again. So the child has heard this verbal routine going down and back up the slide. So what I'm going to do is break that routine to see if the child will fix my language. Go, stop. Go, go, crash. All right, next I'm going to use 2 choices. I love using 2 choices because then the child has to pick between my 2 vocabulary words rather than just imitating my verbal model. So I might say big or small. Big, and hand the child the big gear. Go, crash. Awesome. All right, so that is how we use language to play with the gear slide. If you're interested in purchasing the gear slide, the link is in our caption. If you're interested in more cheat sheets, we have more on our website, and we have more videos with other toys and our language strategies on our YouTube. Thank you.